Hello, my name is Attorney Jack Abid. I'm an intellectual property attorney and partner at the law firm of Allen Dyer, Doppelt and Gilchrist, an intellectual property boutique with over 50 years of history serving Floridians. I have the honor of speaking at VFCC University and discussing intellectual property and its relevance to businesses. During this lecture, we will discuss the major types of intellectual property. This will include discussions regarding patents, trademarks, copyrights, and the right to publicity. In addition, we'll also discuss why these types of intellectual property are important to the day-to-day operations of your business and why you should care. Moreover, we'll discuss common pitfalls that businesses may encounter when dealing with intellectual property. After this lecture, you should have a basic understanding of intellectual property and when it's appropriate to seek the assistance of an intellectual property attorney. I look forward to seeing everyone in person.